Hi viewers, in this video I will show you how to lock gallery on Samsung on UI 7. So let's get started. Now open your gallery app and follow my steps. Now click on three dot icon. Now tap on settings option. Now click here and scroll down, tap on about gallery. Now gallery is available update already. Now click on 10. Gallery is enabled. Now go back and scroll down, tap on gallery level. Now scroll down and tap on album entry locked. Now enable option. Now tap on click on OK. Scroll down up and go back home screen. Now restart your device. Now restart. OK. Again open your gallery option. Now select the album option and select three dot menu. Now tap on lock album and finally lock album. By doing this process, you can lock a gallery on Samsung on UI 7. Thank you.